Construction workers, motorcycle delivery riders, and couriers, are they wielding social influence through organized stalking? Construction workers, motorcycle delivery riders, and couriers, are they wielding social influence through organized stalking? The curious case of the OverObsessed stalkers. In a society where organized stalking is becoming an increasingly common yet baffling phenomenon, it seems that our everyday heroes, construction workers, motorcycle delivery riders, and couriers, are taking their roles a tad too seriously. Who knew they weren't just delivering materials and packages, but also a side of obsession? Headlines that will make you laugh out loud. Love at first delivery, the unrequited romance of a delivery rider. When your lunch order turns into a love confession. Who needs dates when you've got stalking? Construction workers pretend to be security forces in a low-budget action movie. From heavy machinery to emotional manipulation, these guys are going for an Oscar. Courier crazies when tracking your package turns into tracking your ex. Delivery status updated, in love with you. For a more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.